Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can move Steam games to another disk SSD. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in your Steam account, and when you're right here, you just want to go to Steam, Settings, and then just click here to Downloads. Then you're gonna select the content libraries and just click Steam library folders and add a library folder. Now when you're here, you want to choose a second disk. Go to, I don't know, program files, a new folder, and let's name it Steam Library 1. Okay. So I'll just create it in C. Steam Library 1, select. And now we have the folder here. Now the next step we are going to do is pretty simple. A second. Is close. Okay, go to games, view games library, choose a game, manage, properties, move install folder, and just choose a C that we created, the folder that we created. And this is pretty much it. So thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, goodbye.